Wow, we got the Super Things box.
I take it.
Oh no! He's stealing it! He took it!
I'll save the box. Mastermind.
I want to open it. We need to open it together.
Sure.
Yay!
Let's start opening. This is gonna be fun. Thank you so much, Live Games. Let's open it.
Let's open it.
Whoa! I have a Super Things blind bag. Cool.
Wow, these are the new Super Things, rivals of KABOOM. There's over 80 Super Things to collect. So we got blind bags.
And we even got some hats.
Thank you so much, Goliath Games, for sending us all of these cool figures and all of this cool shredded paper. Rocco loves it.
This is a blind bag with one hero, one villain. Wow, that's really cool. Let's open up this one first. I can't believe in here it gives you one superhero and one villain. That's so cool. They can fight each other.
Ooh.
I'm gonna say this is like the superhero maybe, and this is the villain.
Think so? I think
Yeah.
you're right. He's really cute.
Ah!
Oh no, the dinosaur's coming. Let's check out the checklist.
Oh, yay! We're safe. And this one might have like stink power, so we might throw stink bombs.
Wow, I like the way you are analyzing them already. So we have this dude over here. He's purple, and he looks like he's a baseball. And he's super fast because he has wings, and he has a red mask. Then this looks like the villain, and like Marcello said, his name is actually Ultra Dryer. And he is supposed to be paired up with Brain Freeze, but we got a different dude. We don't know who he is. So that's okay. These are the first two that you got. Super cool. Let's see what you got in one of the packs.
This is a 10-pack.
Wow, you get so many inside there. So you get 9 Super Things plus 1 super rare Super Thing.
What? Thank you so much, Live Games. And Live Games, I love your games too.
Wow, you really annihilated this. That box had no chance against you, I'm telling you. Super Marcello.
Oh my gosh, the super thing, the rare ones came out. Look at this one.
Wait a minute, who is this? He's golden? He looks like a cactus.
4-pack with a disc launcher.
It actually includes a weapon to defeat the bad guys, and in every 4-pack, you're gonna get 1 silver super thing.
Yay!
Okay, this is cool that you get your own hideout. It says smack, swoosh, and kapow. Oh my gosh. And this is how you load it up like this.
Oh, and I think I know how to launch it. You do this.
Whoa! Here's one of the hideouts. This guy looks like he's radioactive because he has a symbol over here. And you know how do you open it? You slide it. Go open it up and see who's inside.
There's one blind bag in each one.
You're burying yourself.
Ooh, I got a superhero. And I think this is a banana on this head. And I think of a trash can.
That's cool.
Let's open up the other one.
Whoa, that's cool.
Look, maybe I can pull him back and then punch.
Is he a cheese shredder?
Yeah,
I think he is.
So. Yeah, he's a cheese shredder.
He is a cheese shredder. So funny. These are cool houses. And look, you were right. It does lift up. Oh.
You know, I have an idea. When we launch it, we can put one on while it's going, so we can launch that person.
There's also blind bags with the hideouts inside, so you get 1 hideout plus a super thing. These are really cool. And you can stack the hideouts up on top of each other to make a whole villain village or a superhero village.
I'll get you out because I'm a villain. I think there are villains in there.
Oh no! What are we gonna do? You defeated us, Super Marcello.
But I'm still up and I'm a villain.
Can you say thank you to Goliath Games?
We love Superthings. I love Superthings. We got a golden one. This is probably my favorite. Thank you so much, Goliath Games. Stay tuned for more videos featuring Superthings. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, look behind you. Villain, I'm gonna take your mommy.
Oh no, it's the one-legged monster.